Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to redirect 3W to non-3W in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this Namecheap course, you will learn how to get started with Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your website performance in Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones for free. To join my university for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com. Link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to redirect 3W to non-3W in Namecheap. It all starts with going to CPanel. Once inside CPanel, scroll down to the Domains section. Then click on Redirects. For the type of redirection, select the permanent redirection. From this list, select the domain name you want to start redirecting. And for redirects to, start it with HTTP. And here, type your domain without the 3W. For example, benshosting.com. And here, make sure to only redirect with 3W. So our redirection will be from our site with 3W to our site without this 3W. I add here HTTPS because I use it. And also make sure to check this wildcard redirect. Wildcard redirect will redirect all files within a directory to the same file name in the redirected directory. And then click on add. As you can see, my redirection is set successfully. I will try it now. Okay, as you can see, I will type my website with the 3W. And it is redirected to the non-3W version of my site. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.